In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Discord loading chunk failed error. If you've encountered this issue, don't worry. I'm here to help you resolve it quickly and effectively. This process will take around 5 minutes, so let's dive right in and get your Discord back up and running smoothly. First, we need to open the Task Manager. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus EST on your keyboard. Once the Task Manager is open, you'll want to navigate to the Processes tab. This tab displays all the applications currently running on your system. Here, you'll need to locate any processes related to Discord. Once you find them, simply click on them and choose End Task. This action will stop those processes from running and is crucial in addressing any conflicts. After you've ended the Discord processes, the next step is to restart your computer. Restarting your system can often clear up any temporary glitches that might be causing Discord to malfunction. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in resolving these types of issues. Once your computer is back up and running, you'll want to clear out some cached data. To do this, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type in %appdata% and hit Enter. This will open the roaming folder where you'll find the Discord folder. Go ahead and delete this folder. Clearing out this cache can help eliminate any corrupted data that might be causing the problem. With the cache cleared, our next step is to ensure that we're using the latest version of Discord. To do this, search for Add or Remove Programs or Apps and Features via your Start menu. Locate Discord in the list of apps and proceed to uninstall it. Once Discord is completely removed from your system, head over to the official Discord website and download the latest version available. Run the installer to complete the installation process. After you've reinstalled Discord, or if you just cleared the cache and it didn't resolve the issue, it's recommended to try running Discord with administrative privileges. Simply right-click on the Discord icon and select Run as Administrator. This can give Discord the necessary permissions to operate smoothly and help avoid any further hiccups. And there you have it. A quick and effective way to fix the Discord loading chunk failed error. By following these steps, you've cleared caches, ensured you're running the latest version, and even validated administrative access to help prevent future issues. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're back to enjoying your Discord experience without any interruptions. If you encounter any other issues, feel free to reach out for more guidance. Thank you for watching, and happy chatting.